Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. These are potted snowdrops. If you forgot to plant snowdrop bulbs last autumn, you can plant them from little fellows like this here. And lovely markings on the flowers. We see closer on this one here. When you look closely at, some of the markings are just absolutely fantastic. They're a mixed batch of snowdrop bulbs. You see them in the web shop. We can send them out to you. You're going to get a little bit of value on them this year. These varieties, first to last flower, can be 8, 9, 10 weeks from they start the flower until they finish. You're going to get some value from them this year, but next year, of course, will be well established for a lovely show of snowdrops. We have a number of bulbs in each pot, and we'll give a decent clump all together where you plant them. Plant them out in one piece. You can break them out individually if you want to, but I would recommend you plant them in a decent clump all together and can be planted from now. So there's snowdrop bulbs already established in pots. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.